Hey guys, it's Ms.Yanez. So today for our writing lesson, we're going to make a Mother's Day card because Mother's Day is on Sunday. So if mom is helping you, telling her, hey mom, why don't you go over there for a little bit and bring sister, brother, dad, uncle, someone else other than mom so it could be a surprise for him. Okay? So a couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need some paper, so it could be any color paper you have at home. Okay? You're going to need crayons. You're going to need glue. You can either glue stick or a regular glue, whatever you have. And you're also going to need some scissors, a pencil, and you're going to need these 3 sheets. If you don't have a printer, that's perfectly fine. You could create something else on your card, okay? So now I'm going to show you some steps of how to make a Mother's Day card, okay? Okay, so it says, I can use craftsmanship to make a Mother's Day card. So first, to make a Mother's Day card, you're going to have to carefully fold the paper. And then you're going to make a cover. You can either do the one, I love you 2 pieces one, or we can write Happy Mother's Day on the front, just like this. Then, after we do the cover page, we're going to color the pages first, and then glue the pages inside. After that, we're going to add details throughout your card. And then after that, once the last step is you're going to share your card with your mom and take a picture with her and your card, okay? So here are some things to remember when we're doing our card. So we need to make sure we take our time because this is for your mom. She doesn't want no sloppy cards. She wants your best work, okay? So make your work beautiful and make your work that your work shows that you care. She's gonna know that you care because you took your time on it. It looks really nice. You wrote nicely. You colored nicely. So make sure you show your mom that you care. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our first step. So I'm gonna do this green paper because this is what I had at home. So just like here, it shows to fold inward. So if someone's helping you, they can help you fold this page. Okay. So you're just gonna fold this part in. And we're just going to fold it down. Okay. So that's step 1. We carefully fold it. Okay. Now, number 2 is make the cover page. Okay. So I'm going to write Happy Mother's Day. Okay. So I'm going to write it out for you so you can know how to spell it. So, H A P P Y. So if you want, you could get your paper and fold it first, and then you could go ahead and follow along with me. Now we're going to write mothers. M-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe. So that apostrophe, just make a little line. And then S. So Happy Mother's Day. Okay, and you can make a little heart right here if you want. And then I'm going to write kindergarten 2020 because you're in kindergarten and maybe she wants to keep this card and want to show you later on when you're older that, look, Sophia, you made me this card when you were in kindergarten. And it's a great thing to look back at. So you're going to write kindergarten 2020. That's who you were in. Okay, so if you want, you can go ahead and pause the video and you can go ahead and write that down. Okay, so the next step is, let's see. So we carefully fold the card. We made the cover. And now you're going to color the pages first and then glue them inside. So it's really important that you color the pages first because if you don't color the pages first and you glue them first, you're going to probably make a hole. It's going to be too hard to color. So I'm going to go ahead and color these pages. And we're going to come back. So I went ahead and colored my paper, both of the sides. I haven't glued them yet. So before I glue them, I had to write something right here. So this says, I love it when my mother, what do you love when what your mother does for you? And this one says over here, Mom, I will always have a piece of your heart because. So I want you to think about these things. So I'm going to show you an anchor chart about moms. And maybe we get some ideas on there of what to write on here. Okay, so it says mothers. Mothers. And it says mothers are special, they're nice, they're helpful, they're beautiful, and they're smiling. What can mothers do? Mothers can do anything. They can help us learn, take care of us, and they can make us feel better. That is very true. Mothers do. So mothers work, they cook dinner for us, they drive us, they read books to us, they make me feel loved, or give the best hugs. So now we're going to decide what we want to write on our card since we kind of have an idea of what moms do for us. So right now think about what you want to write, and we're going to write it on our card. So remember, this one says, I love it when my mother. So I'm going to write, I love it when my mother makes me feel loved. Because I love that feeling. Okay, so if your mom makes you feel loved, you can go ahead and write that. Or you can write, I love it when my mother reads me a bedtime story. Or I love it when my mom makes me my favorite food, mac and cheese. It could be anything you want, okay? So I'm going to write, I love it when my mother makes the a So remember, there's two letters that make the k sound. So this time it's going to be the E and the K, sorry. And then we're going to have that silent E. So I love it when my mother makes. So we need the F. So make me feel loved. Love. So it's the word love. And then you're going to add a D to the end. And I'm going to put an exclamation point. So that's this line with the dot because I really mean it and it makes me really excited. So it says, I love it when my mother makes me feel loved. Okay? So remember, you could go ahead and write whatever you want, or you can write what I wrote. Okay? So now I'm going to go to this one. It says, Mom, I will always have a piece of your heart because. I'm going to write because you are special. So you are, if there's sight words, so you should know this, you are special. Okay, so I'm going to write special. Maybe because you want to put you are the best mom in the world, or because you are so beautiful, or because you are the best. So just something, anything you want to write on there, okay? So now since I'm done writing them, I have to glue them. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. You can put them on whichever side you want. Okay. Bring it down. Piece card. So you can glue it really good so it doesn't come up. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue this side. I like to make a little rectangle when I glue. Make sure every corner and then I put an X. Okay, so there you go. So let's go back and look at our card, our chart. So we made the cover, we color the pages first and glue the pages inside, and then we're going to add details throughout throughout your card. Okay, so I'm going to add some details to the front of my card because it's kind of a little plain, and I want to make it look cute. So maybe I want to add some hearts to it, some flowers. So I'm going to add some hearts right here. Maybe cute, maybe a flower. Or maybe you want to draw a picture of you and your mom. Draw something of one of your mom's favorite things. And then I'm going to make a cute little border. So I'm going to do like a little squiggly line. I'm going to do different colors. There you go, added some more detail. Maybe you want to go back and color this. or you want to do like how I did and highlight the words, whatever you want. So now we're gonna do the back part. So the back part, I'm going to put the Mom I Love You to pieces. So before you write color this, the Mom I Love You to pieces, you need to write your name right here. So I'm gonna write Ms.Yanez. Make sure you don't write Ms.Yanez. Make sure you write your name. Okay? Ms.Yanez. Alright, make sure you write your name. Alright, so after you write your name and you color it, you're going to go ahead and glue this down. And then after that, your card will be done. So once your card is done, you can hold your card until Sunday. So you can give it to your mom for Mother's Day, or if you're just so excited, you could go ahead and give it to her. And then you could take a picture with your mom with it and then send it to your teacher because that's your assignment, okay? I hope you guys had fun making your Mother's Day card. And make sure you are very nice to your mom and make her day feel special. All right. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Bye, guys.